आतां पुढे आता कितें तेन्ना पुढे आशिल्ली श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी आनी आशिल्ली इतली पुढे एक्टिविटी आतां तसली एक्टिविटी पुढे वापस हाडपाची परत हाडपाची आमच्या एकदम हो भाव करता पडटा पूण पार्टी एज अ होल ताणें फुडें करपाची आनी ते प्रमाणे आमी आतां हांगा महिला काँग्रेस होय यूथ काँग्रेस होय हे सगळे फुडें वेगळे वेगळे आसा तांचे फुडें मिटिंग्यो जावच्यो कांय आवाज ना काँग्रेसाचो आवाज पूण जावचे आनी मिटिंग्यो फुडें घेवच्यो देखून आयला हांगा येवचे पळय कित्याक हांव खूब मानता इंदिरा ती म्हाका खूब सपोर्ट केलो इलेक्शनान ती इलेक्शना उपरांतूय बी इलेक्शना उपरांत हांव उलयलो ती पयलींच फावट उलयलो म्हणजे हें आमकां म्हणजे सेक्रेटरी हाय स्टेट उलयलो म्हणटकूच राजीव गांधी आयलो तेन्ना आमचे जनरल सेक्रेटरी आनी दुपारी आमी आयलो तो तसो करपाचें आतां करपाचें कितें एक्टिविटीज करपाचें तुमी खुबशें काम करता पूण एकल्याचें काम न्ही तें सगळ्यांचें काम ते प्रमाणे एक्टिविटी मिटींग जावची हांगा तुजी यूथ काँग्रेस महिला काँग्रेस आनी सेवादार आतां तुमची आनी वेगळे वेगळे रेगुलर मिटींग फुडें जावची एक्टिविटी फुडें दवरची आनी लोक विसरता
दीस आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा वेरी इम्पॉर्टंट डे not only for the Congress party but akhya Bharata and akhya world. This lady was known as the Iron Lady. Why? There was a reason for that. She changed the dynamics which Bharat Poitar, when you look at global politics during that time, she created a niche for herself and lot of movement that some certain powers in the world were trying to exercise tika lagun stop zale. Simple example is about when President Nixon was flexing his muscles and teacher pressure hadlo, he even used some unparliamentary language against her. She walked out. She went straight to the car and said tika magir Henry Kissinger dhadlo and konan dhadlo. She said no, the respect of my country comes first. That is the type of leadership she showed. The world saw that she had arrived. India had arrived. After the illustrious career and kide म्हणटा ते आमचे statesmanship shown by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as the first Prime Minister, they thought magir India kama, but she showed the world why she was known as the Iron Lady. Aistar Bangladesh is existing as a country. She was the one who played a critical role. Jenna त्या लोकांचेर East Pakistanaचेर अत्याचार जातालो, people were being murdered, raped. She stepped in. She said, I will protect the people. And Bangladesh was that. गोंयकारांक आमच्या काळजा मनान तिका एक स्पेशल प्लेस आसा. After our liberation, there were a lot of attempts to merge karpa. At that time, I am sure Sir Eduardo Falero will agree, one of the most powerful politicians in the country was Bhai V. Chavan. And he had a group of powerful politicians with him. Tane convinced karpa try kele that Goa should be part of Maharashtra. So powerful he was. But she stood her ground. आमचो तेन्ना पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकर and all those who were there leaders of that time काँग्रेसाचे हांगा तांणी तिका कन्विन्स केलें and she realized yes आमची अस्मिताय पळय आसा आमची एक सेपरेट गोंयकारपण आमची आयडेंटिटी आसा ती प्रोटेक्ट करपाक जाय. वी हॅव टू बी प्रिजर्व एज अ सेपरेट युनियन टेरिटरी and then ultimately a state. आयज पळय आमी उरल्या जाल्यार in 1967 she said let there be opinion poll overriding all the influence try kele pay te goya varpa. Till date that opinion poll of 1967 remains the only opinion poll in India. So this is a unique thing what was a thing what she did for Goa. आयज तर आमी म्हणटा आमी गोंयकार पण मे बी इन सो मेनी डेकेड्स खंय ना खंय आमची ती आयडेंटिटी मातशी डायल्यूट जावपाची बट थँक्स टू हर वी रिमेन टुडे एज अ स्टेट. सो आयज what is more important is the ideals what she stood for, the commitment what she stood for. म्हाका दिसता we have to remember and take those ideals forward. तिचे विचार आशिल्ले taking forward from where Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru laid the foundation, brief period there was Lal Bahadur Shastri, and then she gives the dynamic push for the country. म्हाका दिसता lot of these countries across they had to step back, that India had arrived on the world stage. So आयज हांव सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, आयज हांगा आयले म्हूण, आनी आयज तिचे बर्थ एनिवर्सरीचेर आमी एक प्लेज घेवपाक जाय, that तिणें पळय कितें फावंडेशन ले केल्लें तें फॉरवर्ड करता.
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.